Hello.
Hi guys! So we are going to launch our new HL engine from HLRobotics. So Akhil, what is HL engine?
Actually, HL Engine is actually a framework built by HLRobotics because most of the people they found difficult in programming and all.
Yeah.
And moreover, if we provide something in market, it should be secure and safe. So what we did was that we made an engine called HL Engine where programming becomes easy because multiple tasks can be done by using a single, for example, two steps of line. For example.
Correct. That is
So
true. Actually, I learned Python within like half an hour.
half an hour she learned and she just developed something and I
Yes.
just took some videos while I was traveling from Kerala to Bangalore. I was traveling through Mysore and I captured some awesome clips. So she actually programmed in that thing and let's see what she had done it. Okay, through the
Yes.
Excel engine.
Come on.
Okay,
Let's go.
go.
Yeah.
A little bit of light, a little bit of gold. Under pressure, you start to fold like a diamond from gold. Maybe you are something I cannot define. Maybe you are the fallen kind. I lay in bed with violence, the silent side of me. We see where fire starts to breathe. When I would lay in silence, the voice inside of me made me lose my mind right.